This is Redwood City CalTrain station, and like every other railway station across the world, it has tracks coursing through it, and I'm on the wrong side of the railway tracks, so I need to get on the other side. I'm going to San Francisco. This is how we do it. We leave the station. Magnificent. Made it to the other side. That's California double-decker commuter majesty right here. And this is our one coming. Ginger Rogersing it. We're going to San Francisco backwards. This is a local train, so it's going to take us probably about an hour to get to the city. And to give you an idea of what the double-decker looks like. Well, according to my handy-dandy speedometer, we're doing about 60 miles an hour. Same speed as the baby bullets, but they make fewer stops. Sense of gliding along the American suburbs, albeit a little rockily. Like a train if you can't ride on the top deck. Truth be told, the views here are so much better.
Millbrae will be your BART connection, Millbrae.
And that's for Bay Area Rapid Transit and of course the airport. There's BART, one of the original BART trains, and right behind it, a train of the future, as it's called.
No, I think Millbrae.
So our next stop is South San Francisco, and as you can see, it's written on the side of the hill there in the background. Way off in the background is Mount Diablo, that conical-shaped extinct volcano. Fabulous. And our first passenger overpass. First glimpse of the bay. Might be the last glimpse of the bay. Street is the quintessential California railway station. It's buried under a freeway.
Last mile stop, San Francisco, Boys and King. Last mile stop, San Francisco. come to the service, please ensure you get all the lines, get all the people, make sure you exit the train line stop up.
Those are the baby bullets. Cute, aren't they? We made it on time. It's pretty quiet, fast, and comfortable. So that's my train trip. Our endpoint here is the San Francisco at King Street Terminal. Not so much a terminal station, just an end.